Mom, meet my friend Thomas.
Oh, hi, Mrs. Tran.
Nice to meet you. Why would you bring a sick person to my house? It's just a small cough. It doesn't mean anything. No!
Man, I'm hungry.
Hey, so I noticed you've been coughing a little.